I'd say the nerd gummy like clusters. Yeah. It has to be the red bag though.
McGriddle, but with like the sausage taken out, just the McGriddle, and a large caramel frappe. High school elite.
My favorite road trip snack is Nerds Gummy Clusters.
Probably Sweet Tarts.
Sour Patch Watermelons.
My go-to road trip snack on the road is pita chips with hummus.
Airhead Extremes. Welch's Fruit Snacks. Mixed berry.
Flavor blasted goldfish.
Dunkin' Blueberry Muffin.
All right. I think it's Nerd Gummy Clusters.
All right, I got Fruit Snacks.